Sorry, can you maybe speak properly to me?
Hallo Gershwin, wil jy nog by werk of nie?
You don't need to be sarcastic.
Hallo Gershwin, yes or no, wil jy by ons werk of nie? Luister, jy sê nie vir my hoe ek moet wees nie. Ek is hier vir op 'n basis, so. Ek wil weet wat aangaan. Wat is jou intensies? Wat wil jy doen?
I was assaulted at work.
Okay, yes, no, you weren't assaulted, you were touched on your shoulder, okay? You will not get a verdict that says you are assaulted, okay? You can bank that. So my question is, do you still want to work?
But you weren't there to witness.
Wie fluister aan jou in jou agtergrond? Ek praat nie daarvan nie, ek vra vir jou. Wat wil jy doen? Wat is jou end game? What's your end game here? Do you want to work with it or not?
But why aren't you guys seeing the seriousness of me being assaulted at work?
You weren't assaulted. Okay? You weren't assaulted.
That is a form of
Wil jy nog
assault.
by ons werk of nie?
But that is a form of assault.
So as ek nou op jou skree, is dit ook 'n form of assault?
No, but he physically
No, maar-
touched me. He grabbed me. He pushed me
Wat is
out
fout
of
met
the
jou?
canteen.
Wat is fout met jou? Jy kom uit die Cape Flats uit. Het niemand nog nooit 'n gun op jou gerig of niks nie? Is jy nog nooit assaulted in die Cape Flats nie?
That got nothing to do with this. That
Jy
is
probeer die storie melk,
discrimination now
né?
that you're doing, and that is
dankie.
racist.
Dankie. Sê gou weer?
That is racist that you're telling